is good, you guys? It is your girl GOLDYNAPS, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this magnificent half up half down twist out with only a foam. Okay, stay tuned. Before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe so you can see more content like this from me, and without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so we are about to do one of my favorite hairstyles of all time, which is the half up, half down twist out. I mean, it's super quick, so cute, lasts all week. I mean, what could be better than that? Now, generally, I do this hairstyle with a gel or a custard. If you've been here, then you know. I try to limit my stylers as much as possible, and my favorite products to style my hair with, doesn't matter the style, is either a gel or a custard. It just gives me definition, it gives me hold, it gives me everything that I need out of a styler where I don't feel like I have to layer a bunch of products on. So that said, we're gonna try something new today, and we're gonna use only foam. I have heard so much about this foam from the Do. I went out and bought it myself. And I have also been hearing that using foam for twist outs and braid outs is the move. So I'm trying to see what all the hype is about, and we're gonna do it on my favorite style. So I've brought myself in a little closer, and we are working on freshly washed, detangled, conditioned hair. And because this is a half up, half down style, the first step is gonna be to section our hair from ear to ear. Now that our hair is nicely sectioned, we can go ahead and slick this front section up into a high ponytail. My personal gel of choice is the olive oil styler gel. Okay, now that I've got my high ponytail, I'm gonna actually start working on the twist. It's a lot easier to work on the back section first. So I've just put the top section up into a little bun so I can do the twists on the back section. Okay, I just want to give my initial thoughts on the product while I'm styling. Like, the definition it's giving as just a foam is like crazy. And it says on the back that you can use it for wash and goes. I don't know how much hold it would have on my wash and go once my hair dries, but I feel like this twist out is gonna turn out bomb. Just the way that like it's making my hair look as I'm applying the product, like, I'm very excited. And an added bonus of this product is it says it helps your hair dry quicker. I feel like twist outs, braid outs, those type of styles, they take forever to dry, and that's the most frustrating part about them. But if this can cut my drying time down, I will never use another product again. All right, so we've done the entire back section of our hair. Now it is time to move on to the ponytail up top. If you've ever tried to do this half up, half down hairstyle on a twist out, doing it like this by sectioning off the front first is like 10 times easier than trying to do it on an already done twist out. It makes the twists a lot more defined and it's just easier to do in my opinion. So try this out if you have not done it before. All right, so now all of our hair is twisted up. It's looking good. Our last step before we go ahead and sit under the dryer is gonna be to just like tweak our edges. If you wanna do any baby hair, this is the time to do that. And after we do our edges, we're gonna wrap a scarf around the base of our ponytail. All right, edges are done, scarf is on, and now I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer until my twists are completely dry. This is key for any braid out or twist out. If you unravel before they're completely dry, it's gonna turn out frizzy. I personally like to sit under a hooded dryer. This is the one that I use. If this would focus, it's not focusing, lovely. I will have it linked below if you're interested. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you can always use a blow dryer, but I just like sitting under the hooded dryer because it gives me the ability to just do other things while my hair is drying. Okay, so it has been a few hours. My hair has definitely dried up. I went ahead and did my makeup, which this is my first time successfully doing like a smoky eye look. Kind of feeling it. It's very different for me. I tend to go for very neutral, like basic makeup, no makeup kind of looks, but kind of feeling this. It's giving. So our next step obviously is to take down our little wrap here. Boom, edges are flat AF, and we're gonna go ahead and start unraveling these twists. I'm gonna go ahead and put some oil on my fingertips while I unravel. The oil that you use really does not matter in my personal experience. Like, no oil has worked better than another one for me. You really just need something on your fingertips to prevent any frizz while you're unraveling your twists. Okay, you guys, here is the finished look. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like, it's giving elegance, it's giving princess, it's giving royalty. Like, I feel so pretty right now. I do want to say I really loved that foam. Like, honestly, loved is an understatement. I feel like when I use a gel, even when I dry for hours and hours and hours, it still is sometimes a little damp. I feel like I'll unravel it a little bit and I'll be like, ooh, damn, let me wait a little bit longer. I think I dried my hair for 3 hours and it was bone dry, like completely dry. And I was air drying for I think about an hour because I went and I ate, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for I think 2 hours straight. It worked phenomenally. Like, oh my gosh, look at the results, you guys. I love this hairstyle. Like, it's just so cute. For this style, I personally like to do as little manipulation as possible, so I leave the twists super chunky like this. I also rarely stretch them out just because it gives them a little bit more longevity if I don't mess with them too much. But if you want a little more volume, definitely separate them a little more, and you can stretch them out if you want more length. Just make sure you add that oil on your fingertips when you're separating. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna end this video here. I hope that you enjoyed the video and that you love the style and you try it out for yourselves. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!